Hey guys, this is Aris. Wala ba kayong mga kamay dyan? Welcome to my YouTube channel guys. Excited ako just because meron na naman tayong another client build kung saan ito yung mga component na gagamitin natin. The same time, excited ako just because nagpadala si TEAMGROUP ng T-Fore's DDR4 DARKZA 2x 8GB 36 MHz. Maraming salamat sa TEAMGROUP so pagsuporta ng video na to. So guys, itong build na to, medyo budget lang to. So, ito yung mga component na gagamitin natin. So, sa motherboard, gumamit ako ng Gigabyte B450 S2h motherboard. So, supported na siya ng 5000 Amd Ryzen desktop ready na siya. So, ang processor na gagamitin natin na Amd Ryzen 5 5500. So, may AMD. Then, sa GPU, so, gumamit tayo ng Gigabyte Gtx 1650 4GB lang. Then, sa power supply, Huntkey GS500 500 watts 80 plus white rated. Then, yun nga, sa memory, T-Fore's DARKZA DDR4. So, DDR gaming memory na siya. So, by TEAMGROUP. So, 36 MHz yung gagamitin natin right now. Then, sa system casing, gumamit ako ng Antec NX 200M. Then, sa SSD, so, kimtigo SSD 240GB lang. So, kung saan later on mag-upgrade na lang siya ng storage kapag may another budget na siya dito sa build natin. So guys, so yun yung component na gagamitin natin right now. So, samahan nyo ako, i-build natin yung component, then benchmark natin, tapos i-test na rin natin. So, sa pagpabuild ng video.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard, or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Again guys, maraming salamat sa TEAMGROUP Philippines para dito sa T-Fore's DARKZA 16GB kit memory para dito sa video vlog natin. Maraming salamat sa mga sumusuporta, maraming salamat sa mga nanonood ng video ko. Please like, share, and subscribe lang. Kung may mga katanungan kayo, comment nyo sa baba. So again, Ariesabangan, nagsasabi nga po may buhay. Bye guys!